What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for another one. This time we got a 10-minute strength full body workout. Do what you can. You will need a pair of dumbbells. Modify any of the moves if you need to. Here we go. We start with some seal jacks, feet together, hands together, and we just open on, close. Low impact if you need it. You can do a little side step, no jump required. Exhaling that breath as you open, bouncing on those toes. We stay light on those feet. So today's format, we are doing 2 sets of each exercise. This is that warm up, so we'll be only doing seal jacks once, but all the strength we'll be doing twice. Okay, we'll do back to back. Again, take breaks if you need to, no worries. As long as you get that workout in, as long as you're challenging yourselves. Again, keep it breathing. We just want to warm the body up, get the blood flowing a little bit, warm up the muscles a little bit. Again, full body workout. You need some dumbbells. You can swap out any to the lighter pair of dumbbells if you need to anytime, or you can simply just do it without dumbbells as well. That works too. Nice job. How we doing, everyone? Woo. Keep it breathing. All right, gonna relax. Gonna grab your weights here. We are starting with the bent over row into an RDL. I turn sideways so you can see. Hinge over, chest towards the ground, palm towards each other. You're gonna row, come down, and we just stand it on up. Activate those glutes as you come on up. Hinge back over, chest towards the ground, row, and stand, RDL. So working upper back on the rows. Working some lower back glutes and hamstrings as we stand it up. Not too much bend in those knees, okay? So we want a slight bend in the knees, but not too much. Okay, we're more hinging at those hips as you come on up. Chest towards the ground. You want to make sure that back is nice and flat, okay? We're not rounding that back. If you're rounding that back, you need to pull those shoulder blades. Open that chest a little bit more, but flatten it out. Good job, everybody. Give me one more here. Second exercise, we're doing similar to a goblet squat here. So if you want, you can do one weight like this. Feet nice and wide, toes are gonna point outwards. Squeeze the weight between those hands, elbows wide. We're coming down and up. Exhale that breath. One weight is too easy for you. Line up the sides, squeeze those weights together, activate some chest and some shoulders, and we go into those squats. Goblet squats is a little bit wider than a normal squat, so I want those feet outward. Make sure those knees aren't going past those toes as you bend them. Keeping that back nice and tall. Dropping those hips down. Exhale as you come up. It's nice to do a workout in front of a mirror too if you have one handy. Helps you watch that form. Good job. Back is tall. Squeeze in. Activate the glutes as you come on up, just like those RDLs that we did. We activate the back of those legs just to get a little bit more out of our squats. Good. Give me one more. We go back into our second set, bent over rows, RDLs. So like I was saying earlier, if you're rounding your back, if this is you, pull those shoulder blades back, open up that chest a little bit, and it flattens out. And then we go back into it. Hinge, chest towards the ground, feet about shoulder width. Again, slight bend in those knees. Exhaling on that row, exhale as you stand up. Good, how are we doing, everybody? Nice work. Keep those elbows in. Keep those elbows close to those ribs. Get that upper back squeeze, shoulder blade squeeze. Give me that stance. Squeeze the glutes. Nice. Good job, everybody. Keep it going. It's about control here, okay? It's about control. Quality over quantity. Nice job. Good work, good work. Keep those elbows in. Pull them up nice and high. Last one. Goblet squat, feet nice and wide. Okay. Weights together, one weight or 2 weights. If you're getting a little bit more tired, you can do that one weight. Remember, one weight, you're gonna squeeze that weight between the hands. Okay, you could be here, or if your weight's big enough, you could be here. Okay, or here. Elbows wide, squeeze in, squat in, and breathe in. Nice. Again, watch those knees. Okay, make sure you don't go past those toes. Weights stay right in line with that chest. Don't let them drop. Good. Exhale that breath as you come on up. Squeeze the back of those legs. Come on down. Come on up. Back stays tall. Breathe in and sweat in here. Nice job. Couple more here. We're going into our new exercises next. We're going into a side lunge with the bicep curl. Good. All right, bring it back on up. Side lunge with the bicep curl. Looks like this. You're gonna do a step over. Feet planted, extend that leg. Knee in between the weights, bicep curl up. Step it over. Other side. Chest stays up, back stays tall, hips drop. Feet flat against that ground. Remember that bent knee. Always in between the arms. Good job. Exhale that breath. Exhale on the curl up. Inhale. And then exhale. Use that quad to push that body back on up. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. Keep it working. Working those biceps. Working the legs still. Good job. Good job. How are we feeling? If you need to, no worries. As long as you're getting that work in. Couple more. Let's get one more on each side here. Then we're gonna go into a shoulder work. Nice work. How you sweating? Are you breathing heavy? Pushing those muscles. Come back on up. Here we go. We're going into that shoulder work. Feet planted, nice and even. Shoulder width. Back's tall. Lateral. Palms down. Frontal. Palms towards each other. If you need to modify, you can alternate arms. You go one arm, another arm, one arm, and then the other arm, okay? So if you need to, you can modify that way, or you stay doubling. Or you just do a mixture of both. You do the doubles, you get tired, you switch to the singles, and then if you need to, you go back to the doubles. All right? Good work, everybody. Keep it breathing. Few more. Remember, going about shoulder height on each one. Shoulder height. One more on each. We go back into that side lunge, bicep curl. All right, feet together. Step it to the side. Hit that curl. Come over, other side. Bend that knee. Use that quad to push that body back on up. Back to standing. Breathe in, exhale, and keep that chest up. Don't let it down. Keep those feet nice and far. Keep those feet planted. Side to side. Good work. How we doing? We're almost there. Almost done with that 10 minutes. We could always add on more of my workouts to this one if it's not long enough for you. Add on some cool down stretches if you need it. Add a little bit more strength or cardio to it. Good. Good job, everybody. Good job. Give me about one more on each side. We go back into that shoulder work one more time. Bring it back up. Again, alternate arms if you need to. Shoulder height. And we lift. Exhale that breath. Good job. Good work. Again, we're almost there. Feel those shoulders work. Get those arms right there. Remember, stay in line with the shoulder. Stay in line with that body. Keep that chest forward. You got this. Nice work, everyone. Keep breathing. Exhale that breath as you lift. Slight bend in those elbows. Don't start locking them out. Sometimes when we get too tired, we start swinging them. We start locking out our elbows. Try to avoid that. Keep going. Nice job. We got a few more. Few more. Woo. Arms are burning. You got this. Shoulders are working. Pushing that body. Breathe in. Almost there. Okay. Give me one more time through. And then relax. Put that weight down. All right, final move here. We're only going to do once. It's going to work some abs here. However, we're just going to bring that knee to elbow. Exhale that breath. Keep those elbows wide. Get the knee up towards the elbow. We want to add a little bit of a twist to our abs, so it's going to be working some obliques here. Exhaling. Nice and controlled. Don't work that speed. Keep the elbows open so we're getting a full range of motion. And we're just gently lifting up. Reaching, bending. Meet that knee at center. Almost done, everybody. Great job. Stay in control. Keep that core strong. Keep that back tall. You got this. We got this. All right, one more on each side. And then relax. Give me a good shoulder or relax the shoulders. Good job today, everybody. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Shows you so much love on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the like if you want to see more workouts like this. All right, give me some arm swings over the body. Just relaxing. Go ahead and take one knee in. Hold your balance, back is nice and tall. You're gonna have one hand out if you need it. Or you're grabbing both knees. Or you're grabbing one knee with both hands. Back is tall, core engaged. Switch sides. Other knee. Work that balance. Get in control. I mean, if you're tired, do what you can. Whew. All right, focus, focus, focus. Good job today, everyone. All right, both feet down. Taking one foot in. Quad stretch. Work that balance. Good work today. Make sure both knees are together. Bend knee points to the ground. Back is nice and tall still. Other side. Stay balanced. Stay focused. Good job again, everyone. All right, nice and easy. Give me a good breath in. Good breath out. Come on down. One more breath. Come all the way up. Come all the way down. And bring it back on up. All right, give yourselves a hand. Nice job. Remember, check out the rest of my channel if you need more workouts. And until next time, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you in the next workout.